to the magic pot.
Are you gonna take over and start doing this for me?
No, Mom.
No. Hey everyone, I'm Michelle and this is, what's your name? Emmy, and we are so excited to have you guys here today because we are sharing another family vlog. But before we dive in, if you're new, welcome. We're so excited to have you here. I post every Tuesday and Friday and talk about anything that has to do with motherhood and womanhood, so make sure to subscribe. So Emmy, what was your favorite thing we did this week?
Going to the beach after church.
Going to the beach after church? Yeah, that was a lot of fun. All right.
I was good at the beach.
You were cold at the beach, huh?
But that is not bring you to the beach yesterday.
What? You're silly. Yay! That's right! Yay! So, that was the line for the freshly picked breakfast they were doing this morning. It was for Customer Appreciation Week, and as soon as I saw it, I turned right back around. But, to make it up to my kids, we're going to ride the what?
The merry-go-round!
The merry-go-round! Yeah! Hi, Emmy! Benson, what are we on? Are we on the merry-go-round?
Uh-oh. Ah.
Hey, Ike. Where'd we go?
Dentist.
The dentist. And what did you show him? In your mouth. What's going on in your mouth? What? What is that? Hey,
Me too.
are you excited? Yeah. Can you show me your cute smile? I want to see it. Wow, look at that prize. So fun. Oh my gosh, I'm screwed. Stop growing so fast, Benson. What you doing? Look at you push and walk. Benson. Benson. Whoa! Hey! What'd you do? What'd you do? Monkey?